So you got yourself a Hero 10. Congrats! Now, I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to set it up the right way. Wait, what makes my way the right way? And fair enough, I'm gonna just show you the way that I set up my GoPro Hero 10, and just saying, I haven't experienced any freezing or overheating issues this way. So let me show you how, and let's do it quickly because it's Thursday. All right, let's just zip through this part. Pause. If this is too fast for you, just so you know, you can press a button down there and you can slow this video down up to 4 times. Unpause. Now on your GoPro, do not remove this. But on the other side, you can open this, just pull down to open. Now put in this SD card. Yes, this one right here, and I'll put a link to it in the description. Now I want you to put the battery in and plug it in so you can charge it up. Now let's power up the GoPro. Pick the language, agree to the legal stuff, and turn the GPS off. You can turn it back on later. So now we're gonna connect it to the Quick app on your phone. Make sure you have the latest version of the app, otherwise you might have some trouble connecting. Press this camera icon at the top, press this camera icon with the plus sign. Just follow the easy instructions on the screen, and then you're done. You got it. So on the main menu, I turn off voice commands. I also turn off the quick capture so I don't accidentally hit the button and turn it on while it's in my pocket or my bag. I also turn the beeps off because this can be kind of annoying. I personally like to lock the orientation so I don't have to worry about it recording in an unintended way. And on the front screen, I like to have it on actual screen. Now you can also turn off the screen altogether if you want to save some battery life, but I like to have it on actual screen. I actually prefer to turn the LED lights off as well. And if you are somewhere where you notice a lot of flickering in the lights, you can change this from 60 Hertz to 50 Hertz. Now that I'm done with the phone, I also turn the Wi-Fi off because you can turn this back on anytime you want. These are important steps. No reason to have all of them on at the same time. Whenever I want GPS on, I just turn it on. Voice commands and quick capture, these are all just buttons right here on the menu. Even with Wi-Fi, it's not hard to go in and turn it on. Oh no, time's up. That's okay, we're basically done. You've set up your GoPro and now you can go out and shoot and feel confident that it's not gonna have all those problems that you read about on the internet. Next time I'll share with you some of my favorite custom presets and how to set those up. But I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you are looking for some accessories, like must-have accessories for the GoPro, make sure you check out the video I just did. Also, I have memberships and the Tech is Hard podcast, my podcast where weekly conversations about tech happen. All right, I am gonna go play and all that stuff. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.